Welcome back, students. This video is for the solution of test paper of chapter number 2. So I am telling you the answers. Answer number 1A is ovary and ovule, B is anther, and C is stigma and style. And answer number 2 is false. In place of petals you can write sepals, and B is false. Here you can write stamen. Then the third is give one word for the following. So one word for the following: A is fruit, and the B is epicarp, C is corolla, and D is androecium. Then answer the following in short. Answer the following in short. So answers are here. A. The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower of same type is known as pollination. B. The process of fusion of male cell with the female cell is called fertilization. Then answer the following in detail. A. Two types of germination are as follows. 1. Apigeal germination. You can match this answer with your copy also and here on the screen also. So first is apigeal germination and second is hypogeal germination. Then answer number B. Give the structure of a seed in detail. So here is the answer. Match this answer with the screen. Now differentiate between, so complete flower and incomplete flower is given. A flower which has all the 4 floral holes is called a complete flower. A flower which lacks any one of the floral holes is called the incomplete flower. I hope it is clear to you. Now here is the holiday homework. Listen it carefully. First, collect different types of leaf. You have to correct the different types of leaf. Any leaf you can take from the tree or from any small plant, and then you have to press them into a newspaper. Press them into a newspaper and dry them. For 15 days you can press the leaves. 4-5 leaves you can take. Then you have to cut the leaves in the designer pattern. The designer pattern is given in your book on page number 18. It is given on your book on page number 18. Now cut the leaves in designer pattern and paste them by giving a beautiful look as given in your book on page number 18. And this work you have to do in your fair notebook. On one side paper where the blank paper is there, on blank paper you have to do this work. Then you have to draw the diagrams of chapter number 3 in your notebook. So now on the next pages, after completing the chapter number 2, you have to draw these diagrams in your fair notebook of chapter number 3. The diagram number is 3.5, 3.6, 3.8, 3.11, 3.12, 3.14 and 3.16. Then you have to learn chapter 1 and chapter 2 for UT 1. Till then, thank you and have a happy and safe holidays.